Hey guys, just thought that I'd share with you. I've got a new present that just came in from, you see that there, Century Martial Arts. It's time to open up this bad boy and see what we got. You guys can hear that's Taylin singing in the background. So I'm gonna open this up. Sorry for the shaky camera angle, guys. Don't have a lot of experience with unboxing videos. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Training gloves for our kickboxing program that's coming up. Muay Thai pad for our kickboxing program that's also coming up. That's pretty sweet. More gloves. They are very nice, high quality gloves. I try to pair on. I've got another, like a set that's identical, and they look awesome. Now for the one that I'm really looking forward to, guys. I ordered these with the other stuff. They're real heavyweight size, and I'm quite excited to see how heavy these bad boys are. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. There they are. I'd say that's about probably, I don't know, it's got to be about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. Feels really good, has a nice weight to it. I wanted to go with the black just because it's a little sharper, so just in comparison, the aluminum size are probably like, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of the weight. So this sucker feels pretty good. So it's always fun getting new toys from Century. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Have a great day.